Hey, what's going on? It's your favorite handyman back again. You know what time it is. Alright, so we're working on, we got lights. Alright, he said lights. Where the lights at? Exactly. Ain't no lights. Time to switch this out. So, what you usually get is a burnt out light. It's not actually a light bulb, it's like a light panel. There's actually some light components on a flat panel, and then there's two wires that go up. So, it's not a light bulb, so we actually got to do some extra work to get this light switched out. Alright, so we'll do first thing. Oh, but for safety first, I'm about to get to work. We're gonna turn this power off. Power off. Let's get in motion. Alright, so first thing to do is take out this old light. This is real quick and simple stuff. That's what they call it, DIY, do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's really not that hard. Yeah, I just fell out of it. It's ready to come out of there. Alright. Take them old wires. Down. We don't need them too long. Wow. Then we're going to expose the wire. Strip it down a little bit. Alright. Strip that right down. Yeah, come on out of there. Let's make it easy on ourselves. Got those stripped down. Let's get the new light. New light comes with the white and black, same as the white and black hanging down, so it makes it easy peasy snip. We're going to do the same thing, expose those wires. Wire butts. Now, you usually want to go check your power, check your component before you put anything back up. Then, come on, I'm a short shot, baby. We're going to go ahead and put it back up. Get everything back in place. Give me 2 seconds. Let's check that light out. Hey, if I ain't your favorite handyman yet, I bet I am now.